cursing my name. But the main purpose here is to get you conditioned for the week long.
Amen.
So you 5 are going to be the tough guys, alright?
Good.
We're going to climb, I think, 2,700 feet.
There's Mark, he's back.
Yeah, I feel good.
This is probably going to be one of the hardest hikes for you all here.
Any last words?
It says no arcing.
Good, ready to go.
What am I going to do?
All right, let's go.
God always knows better.
Just keep your head held high. Kiss your fist and touch the sky. Too late to keep the world from dying. It's not too late to spread the love you have. And one day we are ready for crying. One day love it will be made, little girl.
I'm proud of you, man. You're the second guy.
Refugees.
You want to tell us?
Found us out here. They got lost, and we harbored some hobos with us. Yes, isn't that right, hobos?
It's like and rain and snow.
My face, and they're videotaping us. We had 4 other people in our tent. Warm in here. They got everything wet and left their cookies in here. But you're okay with cookies?
The rain rats, huh?
Here we go, here we go.
Whenever you're ready. 11:36. The honorary Black Ops Patrol.
Morning, Starshine. How are you doing?
Terrible. Worst camp out ever.
Was it the rain, the coldness, or all of the above?
All the above.